Kelly, and I'm super excited because it is time to open May's KnitCrate. I did cut the top, and kind of weird, it came in this black bag, which is funny because you guys, if you've been getting KnitCrate for a long time or you've watched any KnitCrate openings, they usually come in a beautiful teal box, or last month came in a teal bag. But it's okay. The black bag's interesting. I'm kind of interested. There's a lot of background noise. Everybody in my house is walking around right now, you guys, so we're going to try to make it through this. If you don't know what KnitCrate is, it is a monthly subscription for yarn. They have lots of different options. I get the membership crate, which is different every month. Some months you get fingering weight, some months you get bulky, worsted, sport, DK, everything, and it's always on their house brands. And lately they've been having special designers every month. Oh, let me get to that in a second. Rewind, little rabbit trail. They also have a sock crate where you always get sock yarn, and they have a Malabrigo crate too, and they're pretty affordable. And I like it because it's a surprise every month. You can pick, because like the membership crate, you usually get 3 choices every month. You can pick which choice you would want every month. I like to get the surprise because even if I don't like it, there's always wonderful people who like to trade in the KnitCrate group over on Ravelry. So every month they've been having a special designer help pick the colors for the month. Well, this month I was super excited because it was Rebecca from KnitCrate. And if you've ever watched her YouTube channel, you'll know she dyes yarn with all kinds of stuff, and it's so much fun. I love it. So I already know what's in this bag because it's easy peasy. So let me pull out the yarn, and I'll show you. It's bare yarn, you guys. Just plain old bare yarn. There's no tag on it, so maybe the tag is in here. We shall see. No tag. Well, I'm sure this little paper might tell me. But it did come with a bunch of stuff. Oh, what is this? They got this little, like, smiley face thing from KnitCrate. Oh, it's little sticky notes. Oh, I love it. You guys know I love notebooks and sticky notes. That's so cute because you always get a little gift in there too. And this time I got sticky notes. So this box, let's see, you can get your booklet you get online. They send you the little card. And this is called Blank Canvas this month. That's so cute. It has codes on the back. I can't show you that. And you can get your patterns because there's patterns always come free too. Let me fold this in half. And I'll show you the little, if you want to take a screenshot, you can read all about Rebecca and KnitCrate. So love her. So what you got, did it tell us what we got? It does not tell me what kind of yarn this is. I know it's wool because it's going to be easy to wash. So we got 2 skeins of a fingering weight wool. Not sure what. She gives you zip ties to help dye it and 2 Kool-Aid packs. I got a red and an orange. I'm super excited about this. I may or may not be using these because I actually have some plans for these. So stay tuned for a video of me dyeing yarn. I'm going to dye yarn. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the Kool-Aid or if I might use some food dye or something. I don't know, but I'm going to dye some yarn and it's going to be a ton of fun. I love getting KnitCrate, you guys, and I totally recommend it. If you want to try it out, please use my link down below and use the code PINEAPPLE20 to get 20% off your first box, you guys. And if you have already gotten your box and dyed your yarn, tag me on Instagram so I can check it out. Okay, guys? I'm so excited. I cannot wait to do this. And I'm going to have to do a little research to find out exactly what the composition. I'm pretty sure it's just like a 75-25, probably superwash. But I'll look into it, you guys. And you'll know when I do the dyeing video. I'll tell you guys. So I'm going to get out of here. Got lots to do.